Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make a totally zero waste vegetable bouillon, vegetable stock powder. Is healthier, it costs way less than the store-bought one, and you can choose what it goes inside. First thing, as usual, switch on the oven at 80 degrees Celsius. Then, in a food processor, if you have a big one, it would be better, but even in a small one, you can do it step by step. You start to put all your vegetable that you choose. The only thing that I add to this stuff is few mushroom, because I found out they give a very good taste, a bit of rosemary and a bit of onions and garlic. And you process it until it becomes very, very teeny tiny. It doesn't have to be perfect, but once the veggies are more or less this big, you can put it on the side and keep on processing them. Okay, as you can see, this is all the mix of vegetable after I process them, and you get all these teeny tiny pieces. When you have all of this inside a big bowl, you can add the salt and just mix it very, very, very well all together. You can just create a very thin layer of veggie on an oven tray where you can put a bit of baking parchment. The thinnest, the better it's gonna dry. Do not worry if you have big pieces of the veggies, because first we're gonna dry these in the oven, and second we are gonna process them again once they are dried. As you can see, I created a very thin layer. Now I can put it inside the oven, and it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take about 3 hours and a half to dry. What I recommend you to do is to, every about half an hour, go and check and just give a stir, just to make sure that everything is gonna dry properly inside the oven. You have to be sure that everything is completely dried, otherwise in the fridge it's gonna go moldy. Let's see together. I can see that they are dry, so now is the last step. Okay, now we have the final result in here. Transfer these in again in the little blender and blend it on a high speed until it's gonna become basically a powder. So let's see. If you want, you can add even like nutritional yeast to give a bit more flavor. It took literally 15 seconds because they were very, very dry, and this is the final result, which is great, and it smells absolutely lovely. There we go. I'm gonna put this inside one of these containers, and I put it here inside just because you can close it with this kind of closure, and it is completely sealed, so it's gonna last for a long time. To me, this quantity lasts for about a month and a half. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, activate the notification bell, it would make my day. Comment down below, give me your suggestion. If you have any kind of recipe that you want me to try, I will try it for you and I will make a video just for you. And please subscribe even to tbsp UK, which is my husband and is the person behind the camera, so without him all of this would be impossible. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.